Bonjour, welcome back to my channel Learn French Together. Last time we looked at two-letter French words from A to G. Today we are going to learn H through N. Let's get started. H is mute or silent. Letter H is always silent and never makes a sound. French pronunciation, two alphabet letters. H, A, A. H, E, E. H, E, E. H, O, O. H, U, U. H, Y, E. Let's go through a few French words and their English meanings. Homme, it means man. Hotel, it means hotel. J, A, Jean. J, E, je. J, E, J. J, O, Jo. J, U, Jou. J, Y, J. K, A, K. K, E, K. K, I, Ki. K, O, Ko. K, U, Ku. K, Y, Ki. L, A, La. L, E, Le. L, I, Li. L, O, Lo. L, U, Lu. L, Y, Li. M, A, Ma. M, E, Mơ. M, I, Mi. M, O, Mo. M, U, Nu. M, Y, Mi. N, A, Na. N, E, N, N, E, knee, N, O, no, N, U, nu, N, Y, knee. Thank you for listening. See you next time.